How to cover NCERT for UPSC exam. Paper 1 General Studies 1 250 marks portion Indian Heritage and Culture, History and Geography of the World and Society. So first we will start with History. NCERT History books for UPSC exam. Class 6th R Past Part 1, Class 7th R Past Part 2, Class 8th R Past Part 3, Section 1 and Section 2. Class 9th India and the Contemporary World Part 1, Class 10th India and the Contemporary World Part 2, Class 11th Themes in World History. Class 12 Themes in Indian History 1, Class 12 Themes in Indian History 2, Class 12 Themes in Indian History 3. NCERT books on Indian society for UPSC exam. Social Sciences. Class 6 Social and Political Life 1, Class 7 Social and Political Life 2, Class 8 Social and Political Life 3. Sociology. Class 11 Introducing Sociology and Understanding Society. Class 12 Indian Society, Social Change and Development in India. NCERT Indian Art and Culture books for UPSC exam. Class 11th An Introduction to Indian Art, Living Craft Traditions of India. NCERT Geography books for UPSC exam. Class 6 The Earth Our Habitat, Class 7 Resources and Development, Class 8 Our Environment. Class 9 Contemporary India 1, Class 10 Contemporary India 2. Class 11 Fundamentals of Physical Geography, Class 11 India Physical Environment, Class 12 Fundamentals of Human Geography, Class 12 India People and Economy. Old NCERT books for UPSC exam. Class 11 Ancient India by Satish Chandra, Class 9 History of Medieval India by Satish Chandra, Class 11 Medieval India, Class 10 History of Modern India by Bipin Chandra. Paper 2 General Studies 2 Governance, Constitution, Polity, Social Justice and International Relations. NCERT Polity and Governance books for UPSC exam. Class 9 Democratic Politics 1, Class 10 Democratic Politics 2, Class 11 Indian Constitution at Work, Class 11th Political Theory. NCERT Class 12 Contemporary World Politics, Politics in India since Independence. Paper 3 General Studies 3 250 marks science and technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security and disaster management. NCERT Economics, books for UPSC exam. Class 9 Economics, Class 10 Understanding Economic Development, Class 11 Indian Economic Development, Class 12 Introductory Microeconomics, Introductory Macroeconomics. NCERT Science and Technology and Environment books for UPSC exam. Class 6 Science, Class 7 Science, Class 8 Science, Class 9 Science, Class 10 Science. Environment books for UPSC exam. Class 11th Biology, last 4 chapters, Class 12th Biology.